Hi, I'm Jason with Thinker Ventures. We're here in Faire, Rome, where we're talking about socially assisted robotics with Martina. Martina, hi.
Hi, hello.
So where are you with?
So I'm a researcher of the Prisca lab. It's the robotic lab of University of Naples Federico II in the south of Italy here. So,
okay.
Yeah,
and you're working on socially assisted robotics. What's that mean?
So basically, a social robot is a robot which is designed to live with people. So, and then social assisted robotics is the field which use the social robots in the assistance. So in the domestic assistance, we have robots that will help people, for example, elders or people affected by dementia during their life. So the point is that they have to have a customized behavior and personality on the base of the preferences of the user. And so the robot will know the user just like we know each other.
And one of the things you were talking about was communication. That
yeah, exactly.
we can say things, but sometimes we don't mean what we say, or sometimes you can look at a person's face and you know what they're saying, and how does a robot interact with that?
Yeah, so the point is that social robots have to engage people, and of course we don't really understand that if we think about logically, but everyone communicates with the other using non-verbal communication. So the whole point is that how the robot can understand if someone is angry or pissed off or mad just looking at it. So social robot, this is one field of the research in the social robot communication, and of course we can use it in the social assisted robotics because of course the assistant have to understand the person who is in charge to monitor, right?
Yeah.
So that's it, and we're also studying another field is pretty delicate. So how the robot can monitor and help the user without being, like an element of disturb, noise, or I don't know.
I think you termed it as disengaging.
Yeah, it's called disengagement process. So it's pretty important. The robot has to be present and has to monitor, has to be ready to help the person, but it doesn't have to distract or to piss off the user. So that's important as well. And
so what's the next step? What's kind of your next step or the next evolution of what you're studying?
So now we are working on this disengagement. That means that the robot has to understand well the body posture and the gesture. He has to understand the human capability of express emotion without communicating it verbally. So that's the next step for now. And
that's fascinating. So is this an example of potentially how robots might interact with us?
This can be a social assistive robot. So you see, basically he's capable to express emotions with his face, and he can help the user with the help of tablet. So you can track here the daily activities of the user. He can also, I don't know, for example, see, oh, I see that you are eating something that you're not supposed to eat because he's saying funny things. And of course, like, you can read emotions, just like the other social robots, using the camera.
That's fascinating.
Yeah. Yeah, of course he can navigate in your house.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing, because he has to be capable to following you around. And another nice thing that robots has to be capable to understand your activity. So, for example, if you're standing and you have an object in your hand and it's the phone, maybe you're calling someone. So if you're calling someone, I'm not supposed to come and say, hey, 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 look at me, because you're doing something, okay? And etc.,
Yeah.
some sort of.
Well, that's awesome. Well, Martina, thanks for being with us.